Today I introduce you food, the food from your friends at home. You stay home, you look at it. It doesn't mean like I am a chef, but I look, everything is like fantastic foods. But this thing have a lot of vitamin C because it's very sour, but at the same time it also have a lot of those combination of when you eat that it's a little astringent, but it's sour. It's perfect when you put together with the mango. You live in Thailand, you always have mango. This time is summer, and then you can do the way somtam, but you don't have to do it mortar and pestle. You have all those bougainvillea that's edible, and nick into the soil. It doesn't taste that much anyway, but it's a little bit bitter, but that makes an awesome combination. I'm telling you, you can turn your French ingredient, the ingredient from the French, into your fantastic French. All right, so you just see like how the star gooseberry just kind of really look like. So this time I was gonna see the ingredient. How could you just like not doing this dish? Come on, look at that bougainvillea. Okay, butterfly pea, all of this is from your friends. Is that amazing? Drill, minced. Actually, that's one I grow. Carrot, you always have carrots, and this is how I just peel and cut all those star gooseberry, one line, and you have some Mexican creeper. And don't forget, like anything sour with the sweetness of the shallot, that would be perfect. All right, so now, not only that, in Thailand, you always have mango, and you always have tomato, just guys, okay? So now we're gonna get doing that as how we're gonna make like those quick salads, okay? From the ingredient from the fence. The first thing, you have those quarter cup of star gooseberry. So you're gonna go and get the minced star gooseberry. Is high vitamin C. It's good during this time with the COVID-19. You wanted something really high vitamin C, and then you're gonna have a little bit of sour and then sweet of shallot, just right in. Okay, my hand is pretty clean, and then you're gonna mix. And don't forget, like when I teach you how to do somtam, slight, whatever spicy you can add. Yeah, I like spicy. I'm gonna go for a teaspoon of that. And then you have the salted dry shrimp, and I've already told you how to do it if you don't like it so salty. Yeah, so get them right in. It's gonna be really nice. So now we have a little bit of like mango that was just like cut in a big chunk. So we're gonna go get them right in, and also tomato. Yeah, step over that and just gently. Yeah, just kind of really split everything together, mix everything together, and then you have those beautiful like tamarind sauce. Get them right in, just 1 tablespoon first. Yeah, and when you have like something sweet and sour with the tamarind, you also want to have a little bit of something really sour. So we're gonna go for, I'm gonna show you one wedge of lime. It's gonna give you almost like a tablespoon of lime juice. So please, when you do salad, don't use anything from the bottle, please, because this is perfect. Yeah, if you can set something from the skin, that would be nice, but we're gonna leave it that moment. So 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Yeah. And then we're gonna have a little crispy things from crispy shallot. And now all those things is gonna go in from nice color, so food from the fan, butterfly pea, a little bit of bougainvillea, not much, but taste a little bitter. Mexican creeper. So you see how you turn like French food to be so fantastic. I was gonna say, yeah, a little mint, drill, and why not carrot, minced carrot to make it really nice and crunchy. All right. And one last thing, I know that before we're gonna take them in, just coat it gently like this. That is I made yesterday. It's kind of really, a little bit of leftover, but I do the grill with cafe lime or lime leaf, and I serve a little bit of oil. I preserve that, and I have beautiful chicken breast that I grilled, and now I'm gonna put, and look at houses that turn out with colorful everything from the fence, and we're gonna go and cut it just nicely. Put it on the top, just like that. Okay. All right, and then you have this beautiful fragrance. Just kind of get it over the salad. No need like olive oils, just cafe lime oil or just lime oil, whatever you can mince, and all those flour that you have. Okay, a little bit of carrot. Just bring everything together, and there you go. You have the grilled chicken. You turn your thin food to be so fantastic.